Hello, your long-awaited How to Tweeze the Frontal Lace Wig continuation video is here. Here we are continuing from where we left off and pinning the already tweezed section. Here now we moved to the second section, which is the middle part, and here we are pinning it to the cushion. Here, this is the middle section, or the second part of the sections that we're going to be working on today. So now we jump right into it by spraying with water, and then we move on to applying the mousse lotion. Then of course, after the mousse, we comb the hair backwards. Now, using our tweezer, we start tweezing the parameters of the lace wig. Observe that as we tweeze backwards away from the parameters of the hairline.
The beauty queen of South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber.
Once we are done working on this section, we then clip it off to secure it so we can start working on the next. Then we unpin it to start unpinning the next section we're going to be working on. Here now the last section is pinned down. We will jump straight into it and start working on it by spraying with the water spray. Then next, of course, the mousse lotion. Then we comb back the hair. Then we continuously tweeze and tweeze until the parameters of the lace wig look as natural as possible.
Beautiful YouTuber, beautiful YouTuber, beautiful YouTuber, beautiful YouTuber, beautiful YouTuber, beautiful YouTuber. And once you're done, you unpin the wig from the cushion and then over to the mannequin doll, allowing yourself to view the finished look. Sister is happy, and thank you for watching up to this far. Bye.